So their education is considered as a backbone of political system, particularly for democracy. Means each and every work that is dependent upon the education. If that country they are having educated people, their political system will run very smoothly. Freedom of expression. Now, in democracy, citizens have the right to express their respective opinion, what they are thinking, what kind of belief they are having. This is the right of citizen. Now, there is one thing that each and every citizen should respect for the conflict opinion of others. Conflict opinion means a serious disagreement. See, as we people are of different nature, we are thinking differently. So, that is not like that on particular topic or particular point, each and every person will have same view or same opinion. Few can have the same opinion and may other may have different opinion, so there can be conflict. So each and every person should respect whatever that other person is thinking, and we all should allow to express the opinion of others. Now, if we are having a one opinion and other is having different opinion, then that opinion of that particular person we can say opponent. Opponent means a person who disagrees with the proposal. So we should hear that particular opponent also, and we should hear them very patiently. Now, what happens in a good democracy? The view of the opposition are treated with respect. Means you can't say no, this is I have selected this particular work and I am going to do this only, and you are not going to hear that opposition. It will not be done. Every ruling government also they have to hear the opposition party. Citizens have the right to criticize the wrong decision and action of the government. Now it is not like that if you are hearing very patiently to the opposition, then you are not going to do any work, or you can't criticize their work. It is not like that. All citizens they are having right, so that they can express their disapproval on the wrong decision of the government and actions of the government. In same manner opposition will do. It means when any work will be done by the ruling party, that time opposition party they have to be very calm and quiet, and they are also having the right to criticize the wrong decision and wrong action of the government. Now, this is a one fundamental rule, that there is a fundamental rule. It helps to keep the power of ruling party in check and expose their failings and inefficiency. Now, what happened when that opposition party they are checking each and every work of the ruling party? So, what they will do, they can expose the failing. Failing here means when ruling party they have, suppose they have promised to do any work and they are not able to do that work, then what will happen? This work will be checked by the opposition party, and they can expose their failings. Expose means they can open up, they can talk about their failings and the insufficiency. Insufficiency means they are not able to do that particular work. So, but in doing so, the opposition and the public should follow lawful and peaceful methods. Now, one thing should be kept in mind: when this kind of opposition will be done, that is done by the opposition and public both. But whenever this will be done, both have to follow some rules there. They have to do this work very lawful in a very peaceful methods and very peaceful manner. Means this should not be like that. If they are not agreeing with any point of the ruling party, then they will start doing rallies and hunger strike and doing violence. All this work should not be done. If they want to oppose or they want to ask any question to the ruling party, they have to be very in a lawful manner and in a peaceful method. Faith in democracy. Now, for the working of the democracy system, it is very essential that people should have abiding faith. Abiding faith means a faith that is to obey a rule, and they should have the avoid violence. Shun violence, here it is written, shun means to avoid. So two things should be there, that they are faith in democracy and they should avoid the violence. As there is no means of violence to overthrow a democratic government even if its action is lagging behind. Means if ruling party is not, or ruling government is not doing any work properly and they are lagging behind. Lagging means to move or develop slowly than the required one. Then there is no need to do any kind of violence there. And that kind of governments can be changed or throwing out of the party by the general elections, and this will be a very peaceful method, and that is under the democratic means.